Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the user interface board in your dishwasher. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. The control board acts as the brain of the dishwasher, sending power to the components during the wash cycle. The user interface board is located inside the door. If the board is faulty, then it can prevent the dishwasher from running properly. You might notice that the buttons are sticking or are unresponsive. That's a sign that the board needs to be replaced. Control boards are pretty simple to replace, but are non-returnable after installation. Since a lot of problems can be caused by other components, it's best to do some tests first. You can learn more in the troubleshooting videos linked below. Now, if you're confident that it is the control board that's faulty, then let's get started. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your dishwasher and where they are located. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. The user control board and door latch are often located in an upper module. Now remove the mounting screws. Tilt the panel forward and disconnect the wire harness. And remove the module. If needed, disconnect any wires. Now release the mounting tabs. In some cases, you'll have to remove several screws. Align the new board onto the mount and let it snap into place. If needed, tighten the mounting screws. Reconnect the wire harness. Next, align the control module and make sure that the mounting holes line up. Now, tighten the screws. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now, tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.